Imagine this: a group of dedicated workers, their faces set in concentration, methodically unloading panels from a truck. These aren't just any panels though. They're solar panels, designed to capture the sun's energy and convert it into electricity. Each one a shining testament to human ingenuity, meticulously crafted to make the most of our most abundant natural resource. The installation process requires precision. Each panel must be positioned just right, ensuring it catches the maximum amount of sunlight. It's a dance of sorts, a delicate balance of angles and directions. The workers know this. They move in harmony, each one aware of their role in this symphony of science and technology. Teamwork is essential. After all, these panels aren't light. Each one needs to be hoisted, positioned, and secured. Every step is crucial, each movement calculated. The workers communicate without words, each nod and gesture a testament to their unity and shared purpose. The installation is more than just a technical process. It's a commitment to a greener future, a pledge to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. Every panel installed is a step towards cleaner, more sustainable energy. As the final panel is secured, there's a moment of quiet satisfaction among the team. They've transformed an ordinary rooftop into a powerhouse of renewable energy. Solar energy is more than just a trend. It's a necessity, a solution to our energy needs that doesn't compromise the environment. And the workers, they're more than just installers. They're the frontline soldiers in this war against pollution, their hands shaping the future, one panel at a time. So, the next time you see a rooftop gleaming in the sunlight, remember the precision, the teamwork, and the dedication that went into making it possible. Solar energy isn't just about harnessing the sun's power, it's about empowering ourselves to create a sustainable future.